This air fryer crispy skin salmon is so good and it only has 4 ingredients. I've got half a pack of frozen veggie rice and a frozen salmon fillet in my air fryer. I'm just going to pop it in for 10 minutes on 200C, which is 400F. While the salmon's cooking, I'm going to make the world's easiest creamy yogurt sauce. So I've just got a couple of tablespoons of Greek yogurt, big pinch of sea salt flakes, quick stir. Sauce is ready. So after 10 minutes, the salmon's got that beautiful crispy skin and our veggie rice is nice and cooked and brown. So then I'm just going to serve the salmon with the yogurt sauce and some fresh herbs sprinkled over the top. I hope I've inspired you to try this air fry salmon with crispy skin or to do it in the oven. But let me introduce myself. So my name's Jules Clancy. I used to be a food scientist, but now I'm an extremely simple cooking coach and I help food lovers simplify and really enjoy cooking with 3+ ingredient recipes that are so easy. It feels like, that healthy meals just appear on the table as if by magic. So one of the things that makes my recipes unique is, of course, that they are so radically simple, but with the limited number of ingredients. But the other thing is that I always include some variations with the recipe to suit different dietary requirements, or if you happen to be missing a particular ingredient. So for this, for the air fryer salmon, if you say you needed to be vegetarian or you're looking at different types of protein, you could always go with canned chickpeas. Go really well in the air fryer to get them all crisped up instead of the salmon. Or you could try some diced tofu. That can actually work really well. It's going to need some extra salt to just make it taste better, but it does work really well. Or, of course, chicken thigh fillets, particularly if you've got the skin on, they work. You can get that crispy skin feeling, so they work really well if you're not into salmon. And then in terms of if you needed it to be dairy-free, so instead of serving with the yogurt sauce, you could serve with something like a hummus or one of those eggplant dips from the deli, or you could take it in that more of a Mexican direction and serve it with some with the salsa. And then if you're looking for like different vegetable options, I do love it with the broccoli rice, but you could use frozen spinach or actually pretty much any frozen vegetables will work here. So your frozen sweet potato or frozen corn or these frozen edamame soybeans. I love them. They will work really well in the air fryer as well. So yeah, I hope that's inspired you to get into the kitchen. And if you want more variations, definitely check out the link to the written recipe on my blog and make sure you subscribe to my channel so you can get more radically simple recipes. Okay, talk soon.